Rudy Giuliani ordered to surrender luxury items in Manhattan apartment to Georgia election workers after defamation ruling in a significant legal blow to Rudy Giuliani. A federal judge has ruled that the former New York City mayor must turn over luxury items and control of his Manhattan apartment to two Georgia election workers he defamed following the 2020 presidential election. The decision, handed down by U.S. District Judge Beryl Howell, comes as part of a defamation lawsuit filed by Ruby Freeman and her daughter Wandrea Shaye, who faced a wave of false accusations and threats after. The ruling marks a crucial stage in the ongoing legal troubles for Giuliani, who was once hailed as America's mayor but has seen his reputation plummet in recent years due to his involvement in efforts to overturn the 2020 election results. The court's decision is part of an effort to ensure Giuliani compensates the two women for the emotional and reputational damage caused by his baseless accusations. Giuliani falsely accused Freeman and Moss, who worked as election workers in Fulton County, Georgia, of engaging in voter fraud. He claimed they were involved in a scheme to tamper with ballots during the vote counting process. His accusations, which were widely circulated through right-wing media outlets and amplified by supporters of former President Donald Trump, led to a torrent of threats and harassment against the two women, who have since been forced to live in fear. In a defamation trial earlier this year, the court found that Giuliani's statements about Freeman and Moss were false and malicious, ruling in favor of the plaintiffs. With Giuliani unable to pay the damages awarded to Freeman and Moss, the court has now ordered him to forfeit assets, including his luxury apartment in Manhattan, high-end watches, and other valuables. The impact on Ruby Freeman and Shaye Freeman and Moss, both of whom have been vocal about the traumatic impact the defamation campaign had on their lives, expressed a sense of relief following the judge's ruling. Freeman, who testified in Congress about the harassment she endured, said that the court's decision represents a step toward justice. "This has been a long and painful journey for my family and me," Freeman said in a statement. "While no amount of money or property can erase the fear and suffering we've experienced, this ruling shows that the truth matters and those who spread lies will be held accountable." Moss echoed her mother's sentiments, emphasizing that the ruling sends a strong message about the dangers of election misinformation and the importance of protecting those who work in the democratic process. "We were just doing our jobs, trying to ensure that every vote was counted fairly," she said. "What happened to us should never happen to anyone else." Giuliani's legal and financial struggles continue. This latest ruling is just one of several legal and financial challenges facing Giuliani. In addition to the defamation suit, he is also under scrutiny in a series of criminal investigations related to his role in attempting to overturn the 2020 election results. His mounting legal bills and financial troubles have led him to publicly solicit donations to fund his defense, a far cry from his days as a high-profile prosecutor and political figure. With his legal troubles intensifying, it remains unclear whether Giuliani will be able to appeal the court's decision or avoid further financial penalties. For Freeman and Moss, however, the ruling offers some measure of justice for the pain they have endured. As the case continues to unfold, it serves as a reminder of the far-reaching consequences of misinformation and the importance of accountability in the aftermath of the 2020 election. Thank you. I'm Amanda with Global News.